Hey, what's up, y'all? Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. All right. See, got a red day today. Nvidia had good earnings on yesterday. All that's dealing with AI and tech, but seem like, things are selling off. Let's just go look at Nvidia. I thought the market, this is what the market does, but I thought we would have been bullish since yesterday. But let's see what else going on. So Nvidia selling off, down 4.38%. Okay. Well, welcome to the stock market. Like I say, you can't time the market you in. Guess everybody taking profits. It did make a new 52-week high on yesterday at like $212. What's the new 52-week high? $212.19. So right now it's down by what, $30. 52-week low, 86.62, which is up $100, exactly $100 from the 52-week low. But we ain't tripping on that. Let's go get us some urgent buys, urgent sell. I did sell I was hit Litecoin, LTC Properties, Real Estate REIT. This is not a bad stock to own. If you want it, you can keep it. I sold it just for what I am doing. I am using margin. 5.05% margin interest rate. Dividend yield 5.76%. Not a bad play. Got a market cap of 1.9. We're gonna call that $2 million, $2 billion. 52 high 4010, which it did hit today. Had good earnings on yesterday. 3170 is the low. And it pays every month. So you got a 5.76% yield. This pays more than realty income does. I sold it because I have a lot of REITs. REITs and BDCs do the same thing. They pay out dividends. Got a bunch of monthly payers in BDCs also that I need to come down in. And I need to operate a little leaner. So I got a lot. As you see my portfolio, I get dividends every day. Nothing wrong with that. But just trying to narrow things down a little bit. I know REITs and the BDCs might catch a little hell later, so just trying to operate a little leaner and trying to go with just monthly and weekly dividend stocks. But which this is one, but like I say, I can go put this money in the YMAG or SPIT or some other thing with a 10 or 12% dividend yield, or HRZN or PFLT. Not a bad stock to keep. Let me say that. Just because I sell it don't mean it's bad. And just what I'm trying to do, not saying it's not working. It is working because it is a good stock. I'm just trying to operate a little leaner, but it's not a bad. When you're looking for safety and consistency, that's not a bad stock to have. The dividend yield is low, so meaning it has a less risk of having a dividend cut. OXXQ, this one here is risky. See where I'm coming from? I got a dividend yield 22.83%. Which one you think gonna have the dividend cut first? This one or LTC? This one got a market cap 1.45 million. LTC have 20% more of a market cap than this one. That's why I say so. 20% or 200% more. I say 20%, 200, whichever way the math is, but it's 20 times that. Going into that 176, 3.5 cents a share every month. Get 5 shares, 1.76. Going to get through this trade. I'm on here a little late today. Still early, but usually I'll be on here before then. Got YMAG. Went in and brought $2 worth of that. Ain't nothing loading up. I just went and brought a little $2 worth. QQQY. Had a buy limit order for this one here. Got down to 21.96. Yeah, go get one share of this one. Go put a buy limit order in, especially under $22. Put one in at 21.96 to 1.96. Might do me 5 shares right there. Pays out every week. You know, this one gonna fly back up. NASDAQ 100 just down. Been getting his butt whipped lately. KLIP been coming down. I ain't expect this to come below no especially not below the $28 mark, but 27.82. I brought $10 earlier. Gonna go get me another $5 today. I will be buying this one, paying a dividend of 58 cents a share for this month. It's been coming down a little bit. Monitor that and see what happened. FSK is another one I'm thinking about. This one here is doing terrible. Keeps coming down, keeps coming down, keeps coming down. Made another 52-week low. So what am I doing with it? Think about just using it for the dividend. I don't know if I want to keep on chasing it. Just let it do its own thing. Anyway, I'm gonna get $2 worth right now. See, not loading up on it. Definitely not. AIYY is another one I noticed getting ahead of. If y'all not in FSK, stay out of it. This another one. If you not in this one, stay out of it. AIYY got this on a $1 recurring. This one here is getting handled. Also, I get just the extra $2 on the days it's down. This ain't gonna do nothing but do another reverse stock split. NFLX. Get y'all some of this. This one here like it's back on its way up. This the pattern for the last month. As you can see, it's going back up. Get you some of that. WEN. Wendy's got down to 7.51 today. Get you some of that if you want to. Definitely a buy under the $8 mark. LFT, Lumen Finance. I would say stay out of this one. It's risky. If you like risk, does have a 17% yield. Pay a quarterly dividend every quarter, every 3 months. I'm going in at 132. I'm already in it, so gotta do what I got to do. But it's a cheap stock though. I mean, you want some dividends, definitely a route to go. Just know some risk involved. It can face a dividend cut or do a reverse stock split. HRZN, Horizon Technology. I just go get $2 worth for this every day, pay 11 cents a share. I'm buying it because I'm in it and because it pays me like $145 a month. Like I said, you can see I got 1,301 shares, just lowering my average cost in it. That's the reason why I'm buying it. They ain't getting that dividend yield at the same time. That stock should actually be over $7 a share, but it is what it is. SRLN, 25 cents a share. 25 cents a share every month, about an 8% dividend yield. Got down to $40.17. At $40.22, you can get your fractional share right there. Also, PFLT, 10.2 cents a share a month. Let's say it pays out every month. There's some cash flow there. Grab a piece of that. IWMY pays out every week. Options on the Russell 2000. It's at 1975. I like this at 20 and under. Get another little $2 worth there. Walmart pull back to the 124-ish. Like I say, anytime Walmart and Morgan Stanley or yes, Morgan Stanley, one of the bank stocks. Yeah, Morgan Stanley pull back. I just go get some. MED, stay out of. Medifast. One I need to trade myself out of this one too. Got AMZN, Amazon down to 206.95, 206.75 now. Go get you some of that. 52-week high, $260. BTCC, $15.95. Big scale coming on down. They need to let us get some fractional shares of this. Let's see if they give us the option. No, they don't. I like this is 16 and under. Get one at $15.93. Bitcoin for the future. If you believe in it, it's the time for you to buy. 15.92. This pays out every other week dividends. COF. Capital One. 207.77. Go get you some of that. 52-week high, $260. And I'm going to give you a hood. This will be my last one. $76.45. Got down to 52-week high. 153.86. Say this can go back like the 130ish. So definitely time to buy that. Let's go check out traps. Yeah, this market's selling all bank stock. Not really a bad day because bank stock's up. The financials doing all right. PSEC didn't think this one would come down. I thought this one might run. But it is what it is. That's 4.5 cents a share a month. I will be buying that. I'm going to do it in another portfolio though, because I need to bring my average cost down to that one. Not going to touch it in this one unless it hit 260 or less. Yeah, I just got a feeling that the REIT sector is going to take a hit. You got all this AI coming out. People going to lose jobs. They're not going to have no money to pay no rent. You got to think like that too, man. Got to think far out. All right, got OBDC. Going to get $2 worth of that. This is another BDC. That's why sometimes you can get you just a good ETF. That's why I'm looking at everything with the Magnificent Seven and the S&P 500 is where I'm going to target. As far as the ETFs, and I'm gonna just stay right there, man. To be honest, think I'm gonna exchange out these REITs for that and keep it moving. Stuff that pay every week and month. And I'm just keep it moving from there, to be honest. Take less risk dealing with some of these REITs, especially like office REITs and that kind of stuff. And if I see at 1060, go get $10 worth of that. Lower my average cost. I'm at 1234. About to say, and I got rid of land. Oh, I got a buy limit order there. I leave it there for 8,661 if it drop down to there. Actually, I can cancel that one, man. I'm out. I'm gone. I'm out. Leave it alone. I'm gonna go buy some spit with a 20% dividend yield. Cause the S&P 500 and the Magnificent Seven really gonna be running the future, especially the Magnificent Seven. So that's really where I'm gonna be headed. Trading stocks that deal with, trading ETFs that deal with those stocks, the Magnificent Seven, top seven, the S&P 500, and the S&P 500 itself. Now I know this future just gonna be a little scary, man. That's just how I am feeling. 2162 Westlake Chemicals, 8.57% yield. It's a nice yield there to have. I need to get some AFCG also. GSBD pay out every quarter. It was at 906, 904. 52-week low is 892. Time for me to buy some of this. 904. Pick some of this up. Just get me 5 shares. This pays out every quarter. This is Oak Tree Lending. Nice quarterly dividend yield also. Some cash flow to buy. PLY, MZY, ain't worried about that. FSK is getting whooped. Think they had bad earnings. I need to do another deep dive in this. This the stuff I'm gonna be buying, like the YMAG. Pay out every week. Magnificent 7. It always gonna trade in like a sideways pattern. You just got to know when to buy and when to hold. Just buy it at its 52-week low, because it's gonna go right back up. Or on the days when the S&P, where the Magnificent 7 is down, this spit does the S&P 500. Look at the last month, sideways pattern, 20% yield. That's another one to have. NVIDIA, not a bad single stock to have. QQQY, IWMY, XDTE, QDTE, RDTE. Those are nice ones. Like, I know which ones to buy. YMAX, more of a gamble with it, but still not bad. Clip is not a bad one. We'll see how this gonna do. I ain't expect for this to get this low. Long as it don't go below the 20 to 52-week low. SVOL, not a bad one to have when you catch this at 17 and under, 30 cents a share every month. CHPY down 3%. I'm up, leave it alone, bull down. GPTY pay out every week, $38. I say I don't load up on nothing. Stays is down, just buy a little bit. It's GPTY. LFGY pay every week, 21, make 25. Little piece of that. Got BTCC, WPay. It's another one, 35.92, make 39. Like this Maggie, 48.69, at 51. PayPal one keeping just for the dividends. You got to buy a full share of that. RDTE 29.56. I'm at 30.11. Not a big deal. Did get OXLC where this at now. I picked some up around this price already. Another $3 worth. Get that average cost down in case that want to run up. ACHR, I like this at 7 and under. Got that on $1 a day recurring. And there we go. That's it, man. Signing off. Go get your money.